Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with Sim Unlocked Phones YouTube channel, and in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys for how to hard and soft reset your Samsung Galaxy S9. So if you have an S9 and you need to reset it to either just get it back to a fresh phone, or you need to recover from a backup and you need to reset first, all you have to do is follow along. You'll be able to do it both through software and through hardware. So the first thing we're going to want to do to show you guys the soft reset is go to your settings. Now once we're on the phone, we're going to want to scroll down here, and then we're going to find About Phone. From here, scroll down and then click Reset. Now this is the software reset menu, and factory data reset is what we're going to want here. Now we're just going to scroll all the way down, click Reset, and then it will delete everything on the phone. Now if you need something such as files, make sure that you back them up either to an SD card or to a computer before resetting your phone. Now that's all you have to do for the software reset. It would reset after you click delete all, and that's it. Next, we're going to show you guys how to do hardware reset. So what I'm going to do here is power off the phone first, and after the phone is off, you want to hold Bixby, power, and volume up all at once. Again, Bixby, power, volume up. Vibrate once, and then you'll see an Android screen pop up. Once that pops up, just go ahead and let go of the buttons. And here we are in the Android recovery menu in the Galaxy S9. To control it, you just want to use the volume up and down buttons to do so. Now go down to wipe data / factory reset, and then go ahead and hit the power button to select that. Scroll down and click yes. Now it's going to take a few minutes, and once it go ahead and says that, all you want to do is click Reboot System Now, and the phone will be rebooted and it will be back to its factory settings. So yeah guys, that's going to do it. We just wanted to show you guys how to not only hardware reset but also software reset your Samsung Galaxy S9. If we did help, please be sure to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Signing off, this is Drake with Sim Unlocked Phone, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.